certain developments are there in certain areas. First of all, I'm happy to inform everyone that the clearances are required for the Shillong Airport runway expansion. All the clearances have been approved, and I'm happy to announce that the work for the extension of the runway has started. This is a very, very important step for us. We had a lot of challenges, but after deep discussion and detailed discussion, and also my last visit that I made to Delhi, these matters were sorted out, and the work, as I said, of the runway has started, and we expect that this work maximum will be completed in the next 15 months, though we expect it to be faster and before that. So by next year, 2027, we do hope and expect that the larger flights from the different metros will be landing directly in Shillong Airport.